In this video, I will explain conditional logic functions in Microsoft Excel. And these logical functions include if and SUMIFS. I am using this data. It comes from multiple branches of a retail store, and these are columns. First column is about category, which includes items such as electronics, home goods, and toys. Next column is about total sales. Then discount column. Next column is about region, which includes north, south, east, and west. And last column is about stock availability and includes information whether a product is in stock or out of stock. I will be discussing these three logical functions: if and SUMIFS. If function is used to perform a logical test and return values based on the result. If and tests multiple conditions and return results if all of them are true. And SUMIFS sums values based on multiple conditions. So here is our first question, which is about applying if function. Use an if function to check if the discount percentage is greater than 0. So here we have discount value, which is given in this column. If discount percentage is greater than 0, return yes, otherwise no. I will use this formula, which is if G2, which means discount value greater than 0, then return yes or otherwise no. If G2 discount value is greater than 0, then return yes, otherwise no. I will copy this formula to all other cells. This shows that when discount is greater than 0, it gives yes, and when discount is 0, it gives no. In these cases, when discount is greater than 0, it gives yes, and when discount is 0, it gives no. The next one is using if and our question is use an if and function to check if the total sales is greater than $300 and the product is in stock. If it's true, return winning wave, otherwise return low tide. In this case, there are multiple conditions. The first condition is that the sale value, which is given in this column, should be greater than 300. Second condition is that stock availability should be in stock. And if these two conditions are met, we want Microsoft Excel to return winning wave. And in all other cases, we want Microsoft Excel to return low tide. I am using this formula, which uses a combination of if and F2, which is total sales, is greater than 300, and I2, which is about stock availability, is equal to in stock. Then if these two conditions are met, which mean if the sales value is greater than 300 and if it is in stock, then return winning wave. Otherwise, return low tide. When I hit enter, it gives us winning wave. I will copy this formula to all other cells. It shows that the sales value is 500, which is greater than 300, and stock availability is in stock, therefore it gives winning wave. In second case, although sales value is greater than 300 but it is out of stock. So one condition is met but other condition is not met, therefore it returns low tide. Similarly, for these two, both of these values are greater than 300 and both of them are in stock, therefore it returns winning wave. And over here, although one condition is met, which is 750, which is greater than 300, but it is out of stock, and therefore Microsoft Excel returns low tide. The last one is using SUMIFS. The question is calculate the total sales for all the products in electronics category sold in North region. In this question, we will calculate the total sales which is provided in this column. However, there are two conditions. One condition is that products which belong to electronics category and they are sold in North region. Because in this case, we are required to calculate total sales, which will be one numerical value. Therefore, we need only one cell, not the whole column. I am using this formula SUMIFS F2 to F31, which is the column containing sales value, and then this is the range for category, and criteria is electronics. H2 to H31 is the range for region category, and criteria is North. Essentially, this formula means that we want Microsoft Excel to calculate total sales of items from electronics category and those that are sold in North region. When I hit enter, it gives us 7300, which means this is the sum of sales of all those products that belong to electronics category and they were sold in North region.